Good morning, everyone. Dr. Victoria Skirbo here, speaking to you from the Colorful Seeds of Transformation Healing Center in Wareham, Massachusetts. Today is November 3rd, and it's a Wednesday, I believe. Is it a Thursday? Hold on. It's a Thursday. Oh, I lost a day in there somehow. Oh, yes, I remember. I was busy working it yesterday. So today the moon is in Pisces yet again. You know I'm happy. The Pisces moon is a mystical, magical moon. It's the 2.5 days of the month where we can wrap things up and come to a deeper, more spiritual understanding of where we're at, what we're doing, what's going on. We do have two aspects today, both sesquiquadrates, one between Neptune and Mercury and one between Venus and Jupiter. Sesquiquadrates can make us feel a little bit more optimistic than, especially with Jupiter, than is warranted. We can have these visions and dreams and aspirations, and there's nothing wrong with having dreams and visions and aspirations, but there can be a little bit of unreality with them, so be aware of that. I'm not telling you not to be optimistic, guys. You can be optimistic, just don't be foolish. Right? Okay. What else did I want to mention about today? Oh yes, there is a quintile, which I don't talk about them much. Quintiles are kind of like magical aspects where we can sort of connect, and I don't want to say miracles can happen necessarily, but there can be like a surprise that comes along with it that's like, oh great. So while it's kind of a in a way a half and half day, half of it you need to be imaginative, and the other half you need to be realistic. But the moon's in Pisces, so you know what, it's stressful. Things are stressful, and so this is an opportunity to relieve some of that stress. It's a good day for poetry and art and compassion and healing. Perhaps you want to have a healing session with somebody. Go to your therapist, talk to them, have a massage, get an adjustment, have some energy healing. All of it is good. All of it we need. All of it is a great way to work this Pisces, Moon and Pisces energy. So I'm out here by myself this morning because none of the animals are willing to come out in the cold. But me, I was the only animal who wanted to come out in the cold. I said, come on, Charlie, let's go. Open the door. He sat there for a while. I opened the door again. He went in. I'm like, Charlotte, where are you? She's nowhere to be found. She's usually by the door. I don't know. Maybe they know something I don't know. But it is kind of chilly this morning. Let me just, I want to end on these flowers here because it is so chilly. And these guys, God bless them, right? God has blessed them. They're still doing their best, showing their beauty. I think this is a lesson for all of us, right? Even when we've lost all our leaves, and it seems like we shouldn't be sprouting beauty, we still can. They might be smaller and a little more raggedy than they used to be. They're no longer the size of dinner plates. But that's like a teacup, right? All right, guys, have yourself a wonderful day. Most of the leaves on the maples now are off. And, of course, we still have some oak leaves, but they don't come down until spring anyway. And I'm surprised we have so many leaves on the apple. The apple's been pretty leafy, but even that's starting to fade. But these colors are just glorious. Like, look at that blue sky and all those beautiful colors. This is the benefit of living in a place where, things change. Of course, the oil bill is the opposite, not a benefit. It's going to be an interesting winter of trying to heat this old house. But luckily now we have mostly everybody either has a sweater or a fur coat, and we're going to be putting the bird in the warmest room in the house. So he'll be all set. It's going to be chilly. Lots of fires, lots of cuddling, lots of snuggling. What's wrong with that, guys? Nothing. All right, that's enough of that. See you guys tomorrow. Love ya. Namaste.